Hi, welcome to Caleb's and Jonathan's card opening. Today we're going to be opening these. We got three of these.
What are they? The Fusion Strike. Got a whole lot of them, and guess where? Walmans, right?
Mm-hmm.
We finally were able to see some Pokemon cards at Walmans. And it has been a while since we did a card opening, right?
True.
Mm-hmm.
It's been for 5 months by now.
It's been a while, but let's kick it off. Let's see what we get. You want to do the honors of opening the first pack?
Yeah, but how do you open plastics, Kenny?
Well, they're cardboard. But here we go.
What's our cardboard?
Mm-hmm. So the first one is a Mew. Now there's actually about 10 cards you want to get. There's 3 alternate arts, I believe. But we want to have the Secret Rainbow Mew, the VMAX. So let's see what we get.
Ooh, Gengar.
You got a Gengar pack?
Yeah. And hopefully we get the Gengar next generation one.
It's actually been a while since we opened these. I forgot how to open them.
I didn't.
Alright, got my pack open. Ah!
No one don't look.
Ooh, there it is. Now, I don't know
Back cards for the ID.
if this is 3 or 4. We're going to go with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And I believe it's 4. Because what we have is a Fire Energy. And we got a... What is that? Elisa's Sparkle. We got a Dreadnought. Is that backwards? That looks backwards. Sliggoo. Tyrannimo. Azoru. A Shelder. A Caterpie, Drillbur. Uh-oh, here's the reverse holo, a Battle VIP pass.
Can I do the honors?
Yes. Ah, it's a non-holographic Blissey. And I don't like this format, so we'll be right back. Ha! Old format. And we are back. Okay, let's see what cards you got.
Fighting Energy.
Bug Catcher. What is that? Fusion Strike Energy. Ooh. That's a Tortonator. Trubbish. Totodile. Phantom.
Oh. Snorlax.
Yep. Snom. Bug Catcher. Reverse hollowed. And this is... Oh! I saw that black border. Let's see. Do it. Let's see what you get. Ooh. Greninja V. Wow, very cool.
Wait, can I see that?
Yeah. Here, show the code card. Be careful with the camera, always.
Mm-hmm.
Here, do this one.
Mm-hmm. Water Style.
Skaters Park. Lopunny. A Marshtomp. Shroomish. Klefki. Trubbish.
We got too much of those.
Another Totodile.
It's like
Phantom. Got a Cursula, Vivolta, Vicol. What is that? Vicavolt.
Victobolt, I think.
Yep.
And that's our rare.
Oh, that's your. Oh, that is your rare. Here, show the code card. All right, here's the next pack. Ooh, is that
Dark.
Steel or Dark Energy?
I think dark.
What is that? Semi-Sage? A Sydney? Battle VIP Pass. Panseer. Agumi.
I always wanted the IP.
Aerocuda. Snubble.
Ooh, ooh.
Geodude.
Geodude.
Ooh, Reverse Hollow. You know what that one is.
Meow.
Yep. And then Centiskorch.
Dang.
Cool. Here's your next pack. There's the code card upside down.
Oh shoot, I forgot to do the tricks.
No, I did the trick already. I'm opening the packs for you, so you just show them. Let's see what you get. Leaf Energy.
Bug catcher.
What is that? Wigglytuff?
Yeah, Wigglytuff.
Phalanx. Phalanx. A Grubin. Mankey.
Mickey. Yeah.
What is that? That's a
Geocuff,
Crowagunk.
I think.
Panseer.
Potero? No, just kidding.
What is that? A Gumi? Gumi. Is that a Gligar? Alright.
That's our rare again.
Vicavolt.
We're getting
Another
two.
non-hollow Vicavolt.
We're get.
Show the code card.
Oh.
Let's see what you get. Hey, do the viewers a favor and hold it steady so they can actually see it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Lightning energy.
Skater Park. Lapuni. Is that a Marsh Stomp? Snubble.
Geodude.
Geodude. Sizzlepede.
I've never seen that one.
Cleave Key. Pansage.
Oh.
Reverse Hollow. Vulpix.
Yeah, Vulpix.
And a...
That's our rare.
What is that? Azumarill?
Zoomaroo. Yeah, that's hard to say.
Okay, here's the next
God.
pack. Good job, you're learning. Finally,
Leaf energy.
Persian.
We got Persian.
Power Tablet.
Power tablet.
Darmedian. Jinx.
And that one.
Mantine. Grubin. That's not a Geodude. A Rodon.
I didn't say Geodude.
You're about to say Geodude. I heard you.
No, I didn't.
What is that? A Smeagol? A Reverse Hollow Centiskorch. And a
Oh, dang. We never.
Corviknight. Okay, there's the code card. Alright, here's your next pack.
Dark energy.
Primate.
Primate.
Semipour.
Bug catcher.
What is that? A Wooloo?
Lulu.
Wooloo.
A lot of O's.
A Pancham.
Please no kitty.
Darumaka.
Please no
Darumaka.
kitty. Please no kitty.
That's an Indeedee. Growlithe. Reverse Hollow Choodle. And a Golem. Ooh.
Oh, golems are kind of strong.
Yeah, that's non-hollow, but look at the art.
Dang, whoever made that must be an art genius.
You see one golem, you see them all, but it's like the arts or the artist's interpretation. I like that little flare, like the orange, and
I was hoping we get a Mew.
the yellow and orange. Okay, code card. Good job. Here's your next pack.
Water energy.
Smelar. A Crossseaver. Sliggoo. Arrokuda. Dung-ga-da-dung-ga-da-dung. Snubble.
Geodude.
Geodude. A Sizzlepede. Key. Mudkip.
Oh, we finally get a golden.
What is that? Cinderace
Oh,
VMAX. Ooh.
Did you see this one?
That is very cool. That's a nice
Two
pull,
rares
son.
already, and we just barely started, huh?
Yep. Now this is the last pack we got. So there's the code card. I did the trick. There you go. See what you get.
Psychic energy.
A Stantler. A Gliscor. Scorch. Dewpider.
Oh, Onyx.
Yep. Choodle. Shroomish. Key. Reverse Hollow. What is that? A Mars Stomp.
Dang, I like the art.
And a non-holograph Verizon. Verizon. That's funny. Well, that's it for this card opening. These are the only two hits we got, and this is from a Walmart. Those boxes up in the front. We found a couple of them. We actually could have bought the whole box, but we're like, nah, let's just get 9. I think we opened 9. But those are the only two hits, and that will be it for this card opening.
Please like our videos and please subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Bye.